Does your dog get sick during car rides or struggle with frequent vomiting? Cerenia is one of the most effective veterinary medications to help prevent and control it. Cerenia, also known as Maropitant citrate, is a prescription medication that blocks the brain's vomiting signals, helping dogs feel more comfortable during travel and illness. For motion sickness, the usual dose is 8 milligrams per kilogram once daily, given at least 2 hours before travel. For acute vomiting, veterinarians typically prescribe 1 milligram per kilogram once daily. Unlike many medications that simply reduce nausea, Cerenia blocks substance P, a key chemical involved in triggering the vomiting reflex. Cerenia helps prevent motion sickness, vomiting, nausea, excessive drooling, and travel discomfort, allowing many dogs to travel with greater ease. Always give Cerenia exactly as prescribed by your veterinarian. Tablets may be given with a small meal if recommended, while injectable forms are administered by veterinary professionals. Most dogs tolerate Cerenia well, but some may experience sleepiness, diarrhea, decreased appetite, drooling, or mild pain at the injection site. Use Cerenia cautiously in dogs with liver disease or those taking other medications. Always tell your veterinarian about your dog's complete medical history. Remember, Cerenia controls vomiting, but it doesn't treat the underlying illness. Persistent vomiting should always be evaluated by a veterinarian. When used at the correct dose and under veterinary supervision, Cerenia is one of the safest and most effective ways to help dogs stay comfortable, whether they're traveling or recovering from illness. For a dosage calculator, detailed benefits, potential side effects, which dogs should avoid this medicine, and safe serving ideas, visit our website through the link in the description.